sorry for cutting the video for my very first part of my Christmas slash birthday haul, mega haul type of video. So I did not actually mention that like I'll be right back with the next proportion of the haul. I did not say that in that specific video, so I forgot to mention like this whole portion right here. This is the next portion that I'll be featuring in today's video. So again, first off, words can't even explain it. Like wow, like look at the massive score. So this is the scores that I have received from let's see here, January the 3rd of 2026, 2026. Also, maybe my New Year's haul, maybe. But whatever. Uh, without any more rambling, let's just get on with the video. Starting off with, gonna do left, right to left this time because, or maybe, yeah, right to left from where, accordingly to when, I mean, on how I received them actually. Starting on with the vehicle number one, which is a color changer to be exact, which is um GRC Francesco Bernoulli color changer, which changes from a yellow, which changes from a yellow to red, which is awesome. And I'm really dying and excited to open this. Like I've been dying to get this ever since it came out along with that queen over there. As you can see, Francesco Bernoulli 2-in-1 from Disney Pixar Cars Color Changers main line. So that's that for Francesco. And then comparisons also with the 155 scale. I don't know if mine is either an error or it's been there ever since when I was a child. Like it it doesn't have its original Rotally text anymore. Except for this one though. It still has it. A bit. You can still see quite a bit, but I'm planning on getting a replacement soon for this guy. Just excuse me, just not as of now. So that's that for Jersey Francesco Bernoulli. Don't know if I said it correctly. Then for number two we have here you oh, gonna reach it all the way back here, which is um NASCAR Danny Swerves, metallic Danny Swerves to be exact, from the NASCAR series of 2025. Yeah, yeah, I'm correct. 2025 when they released those metallic NASCAR NASCAR variants. This is my very first NASCAR Danny Swerves, by the way. Very awesome. And then as the new improved uh, NASCAR McQueen artwork, which as you can see, it has like the new McQueen design, showing like which represents his lightning bolt, which is uh, carburetor cap mountain, or I don't know, maybe I'm losing I'm losing I'm quite mixing up my terms here. Radiator cap mountain, which represents his Lightning Bolt. Oops. See, sorry about that. As you may know, these NASCAR metallic releases, they don't even show like any other releases that you can collect from the back. Sort of like those international packages that you can get from other countries. Which is quite annoying though. It doesn't feature any other cars in the back. Metallic Danny. Oh no. Oh. And then Snot Rod. So this is the first batch of three. After that, and then we're moving on to the next. Here we go. Here's the color changers Snot Rod. Comparing, I'll be also putting out all of my Snot Rod variants all together. So this is the Thailand one. You have Thailand. Here's the Chinese variant of Snot Rod. I mean, the early 2006 Snot Rod made in Thailand. The very early on made in Thailand cars. You don't even know whether you're gonna get a Chinese or Thailand Disney Pixar cars diecast back in the day. Snot Rod, which changes from a white to his original orange color. As you can see, 2-in-1 Snot Rod. And then for next next up we have my very first race and rescue vehicle that from this January haul, I guess. This portion, January 3rd, which is Sally. Also, this was quite a bit of a late upload since I was very busy uh, gathering all of the cars that I'm needing in order to make a complete mega haul video. So sorry about that. Again, very first race and rescue vehicle, Sally from the race and rescue line, 2025, as you can see right there, new for 2025. I'm also planning on to buy another Sally for make another custom, which her without the cone on her roof, because it's not actually accurate in the book, because she didn't appear at all with the cones on her roof along with the roof rack. Actually appeared, but the cones did appear just in the book, just just not on Sally's roof, of course. Even they did not even bother to add the white stripe detail on the cones. Quite unfortunate. Even though on the card, even even on the card it shows like the detail right here, like the stripes on the cones. There's red. So here's the. I know this is in like some sort of specific case, like case W or something. It shows Race and Rescue Morgan, Red, Jeff, Luigi and Guido, and Rally Race Jackson. That's Rally Race Jeff, actually, Jeff Corbett. That's it for Sally. And then, uh, how do, oh no. Next up, oh, oh dear, I'm trying to reach very badly. So here's my next color changer for this haul. Third one, which is GRC McQueen, which is the only two GRC color changers in the main line, which is McQueen and Francesco. which he changes from this like bluish gray sort of color to his typical red color, two in one again. So, yep, it's McQueen for you. I'm already starting to have hard time here. Then, last stop before we get on to the multi-packs. Oh no, forgot to bring one of my McQueens out for... Nah, I have nothing to compare him anyways. Whatever. So here's... I did not also bring a Chinese Rusty Cruz Ramirez because I was planning on making a fabulous Cruz Ramirez with this as a custom, but nah, I'm just gonna plan to like keep this in package for future references because it's my only carded car, which is from the 2025 mainline. Let's see. Yep, made in Thailand. As in Cars 3 shows Rusty's McQueen and Jackson. Alright, so that's about that for the for the for the for the cars, the singles actually. Now we're moving on to the two pack, so I'll just clear pretty much the like the singles out of the way, then um be right back shortly. And then I'll be showing your the one of my favorite parts of this video, which are mainly these guys on the bottom, the five packs to be honest, to be exact. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot to mention this earlier that every now and then actually, like every after I reviewed the chosen car that you guys have picked from the new, I have discovered this now, just now from YouTube. Like after like years, after like by searchings on YouTube, like on how to make a poll on YouTube poll for like your YouTube channel for starters, just like me, for example. I would be featuring some cars, and then like you just have to like maybe pick which ones you wanted me to review. Like the most votes win, obviously, and then gets the car that they want me to review first. So I don't know much about, I don't know, I have clearly no clue all that much for those type of poll type of stuff. So just gonna save that for, you know, future references maybe. So here's the first multi-pack I'm gonna show you, which is this um Tokyo Race 5 pack, which includes, surely these are Thailand variants of Shu, Lewis, WGP McQueen, or Randy McQueen with racing wheels, Raul, and Miguel. No, oops, like, there you go. Since the box is so wide, I guys are not able. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I accidentally like pressed the off button, like I accidentally hit my camera back then, so just gonna put this back here again. Such a mess. Golly. Oh, before we move on to the last multi-pack for this segment, which is, nearly forgot to show Danny Swerves and comparing him with this NASCAR metallic variant, since I don't have like the regular NASCAR Danny Swerves just yet. can't wait to review very soon. Then last portion for this video, which is this um cruising through Radiator Springs 5 pack, which has definitely two new variants for me at least, which I've been dying to have, which is this Cruising McQueen. I know, it may seem silly that I'm getting Cruising McQueen again, although already have him, but somehow mine's already all beat up and chipped up, as you can see here at the back. But this is not an ordinary, just not an ordinary Thailand Cruising McQueen, but it's actually the corrected one. They actually added like the bumper stickers, which Lizzie put on him during like the Type Would Be a Dream scene. Here's Radiator Springs McQueen, by the way, just for like, even though it's not that similar. Second car I'll be needing from this pack, which is this another new model of Sally, which is not this chunky model of Sally, which we have been stuck for years and years now, and they have never corrected the model ever since 2018 roam around. And then along with the Radiator Springs Classics main line, with the like Sally with tattoo variant, and then that's from I guess late 2017 and early 2018, I guess. And then early 2018 they also released this specific Sally, which I'm also dying to have. I know there's like two variants of those, which one has a collector card and one doesn't, which I'm dying to have the one with the collector card, or neither of those, which is the corrected model for Sally, sort of like this one, the metallic Sally. So that's what that's why I got this pack, not only for these two again, also for this Ramon here, because I also don't have the hydraulic Ramon non-lenticular variant, which I'll be getting him right over here, since I have a lenticular variant of it. Mine is all beat up and stuff. He's actually Super Chase, the lenticular one. Super Chase, it's not a Super Chase, it's just a chase piece, along with some other metallic cars from that line, with like Daryl, Metallic DJ, and who else? I don't know. These are fun fact. This is also one of my very first Ramones that I had in my collection. Old school Ramone. Wait, I think I got this the Thailand variant. Who cares? Then Lightning Ramone, which had already its Thailand release, which I'm not gonna get that. Like the paint work on that release is more orangey, which is not my kind actually. And also this Sally, since I can't wait for that much longer, is also gonna get a single release this year, 2026. This time made from China, actually New China to be exact, but it does not look like your old Chinese Sally that you are used to back then. Like, don't expect too much. Like, I was expecting way too much, that they'll fix it. Like no more blurry decals and stuff, and all of those type of issues from Thailand. So sheesh. So here's the cars at the back. Oh man, it's damn. So I guess that's it for this portion, and then I'll be back soon. I guess for like maybe I don't actually remember the date. January when for the next. I know it's still around January when I receive another load of cars for my mega Christmas slash birthday haul, but it is around like uh it's around January the 13th maybe. So I'll be right back with the next part of my my mega BD and Christmas haul, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Steady on, like steady on. Disney Pixar Cars fan, like it's worth mentioning. I nearly forgot to mention this box at the beginning of the video. This mystery box, which is also a gift, but um, nah, I'm not gonna show this in this video. But until I complete them, here's like a small sneak peek what it is. But should I show it? I don't know. Um, uh, yeah, I won't until I collect all the necessary holders that I need. Like, because I know I have damaged and painted over my original fake Chinese knockoff Mac, which is this sort of variant, and then I'm trying to replace it with another one, which is in this box. I don't know if it's either the correct one, but whatever. Just gonna put it back here on the side. Gee, what a mess. But although I'm just gonna compare them side by side with this Mac for a change, for just to know like the difference. If you can notice it right away, and then if you can tell if it's which one's the real deal Mattel Mac, or if it's the cheap Chinese knockoff one. Seems that you can't even tell as of now, but the actual reviews of it, but in the actual reviews of the Macs, I'm gonna show them all actually, but just not just not now actually. Just not now. We just have to wait and see what it holds. Like as of now, I'll be putting up a I'll be putting up a poll between like these cars that I have featured in this video, like which oh no, I think I'm gonna have to clean this mess up before I close up here. Anywho, so in this haul, just tell me in the comments below, like which one is your favorite. Mine has to be if you ask me, can't even tell which one's my favorite. It's already getting disarranged now. So much. my favorite personally, just personally, even though I was planning to not to collect that line, which is the Race and Rescue, which I think it's garbage, since a lot of mean and so far, I don't know, negative comments about it, since it's rubbish and stuff. But I think it's fine. Like, it's a okay, alright. I mean, overall favorites. I'm not gonna do some ranking here, you guys. I mean, kind of over here. So I'll be taking some quick pictures on which cars that you want me to be reviewing first. Is it either the color changers, NASCAR, or some of the multi packs? Disregard the. Oh yeah, I even nearly forgot the. Whoa. Um. Whoops. Nearly. Whoops. Really sorry about that. Or actually, the Race and Rescue. Disregard also Cruz Ramirez and then the family over there. So maybe uh, I'll be putting some polls after I record this video, and then just gonna wait couple, like, I don't know how many fans of mine would be choosing. Like, maybe there would be like some color changer fans or NASCAR fans out there, and then like the fans for the multi packs, Race and Rescue. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just see about it, and it would be focused more on maybe like next week or so. Very, very rough schedule ahead of me right now, so we'll just see.